Prestley Snipes. We're at Pyramid Studios, Glendale, Arizona. I got two of my artists here. We're making some good music. We got the engineers here. They're making their sounds great. Come on, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. It should have sounded so good, man. I can't believe how good it sounded. You know, the music is sounding so great.
My name is Usala, but my friends call me Prestley. I like to make money. I'm an independent filmmaker, and I did a little music production in my time. My work has been successful, and I sold millions of records around the world. Now I'm ready to diversify and get into new businesses. Follow me as I learn new ways to make millions and millions of dollars. This is Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Let's make some money.
Prestley Snipes here, episode 11. Making Money with Prestley Snipes. Check out the Pyramid.
What do you want me to sit on you?
Making Money with Prestley Snipes, episode 11. We don't just do real estate. We diversify. We're making music. We make art. We write books. We make movies. We sell real estate. We write songs. We're just nice people.
Come to, don't wanna argue, I need you. And I said again, cause that's what I gotta prove. Girl, I love you. And I said again, I need you.
Wait, you can put auto-tune on this one yet.
Yeah. Damn, that's some good shit. So what's the song called?
No title. TBA. TBA. We working.
Girl, I love you.
Hey, do you mind if he shoots like a 15-second video of all this?
Go ahead.
Cool,
dude.
man.
Yeah, go ahead.
If you wouldn't just get some audio at the same time, just everybody in the room while it's playing, get about a 15-second clip, and then post it.
15 seconds, you got it.
You said you never leave me. Should I believe you? Fussing and fighting, girl, what have we come to? Don't wanna argue, I need you. And I said again, cause that's what I gotta prove. Girl, I love you. Can't no one else come between us, it's me and you. And I said again, I need you. Spend time in devotion, I'm hopeless, girl, what do we do? Can't see no one else, think I'll be by myself. I don't wanna say farewell, I just hope that the time will tell. Girl, I pray we both find ourselves, so I'll ever grow and excel. Wanna get you a ring doorbell, girl, I know we both been through hell. I don't wanna just say, oh well, let the love speak for itself. Girl, you gave me a heart, I feel. Tell you, girl, I feel so compelled. Tell me that's why I be your help. But I say cause they please don't tell. Girl, I'll be here forever. Never again neglect you. Girl, you define perfection.
Perform that shit. Yo. Perform it.
You said you never leave.
Let's get it. I was just saying, perform it in front of the camera. I recorded. Talk to me. Talk to me. Nah, talk to me. We on the Prestley Snipes. 25,000 subscribers. Talk to me.
Hey,
Where we at?
You know, we working for real. Follow me at One Lil Swoosh. That's 1 LILSWOOSH.
Follow me at Zakari, IMZAKARI. On Instagram, my Twitter, same thing. Yeah. Here, let me say one more thing. Gotta give a shout out to the solid making all this happen. Honestly, he's this the man right here. Honestly, he's a man.
Prez. He's the president
Honestly.
You feel me?
Honestly.
I couldn't make this happen without y'all. Like, yeah, this is nothing.
And
without y'all.
Dwayne.
Oh my gosh. Amazing.
They used to call me
Show me
in middle school. That shit's crazy.
They called you J-Dog?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Girl, my bad, I know it's on me.
So I like your name, for real.
Oh, thanks, bro.
Shout out, shoot.
Beast mode.
I spend it all on you, I'm balling. Just wanna show you that you ugly. But baby girl, you should just call me.
I feel like a echo can that's dope though. It's like a good talking, but I got the delay on that. Oh, it's that delay. Okay, yeah, that delay is beautiful.
I wish you would just call me. I wish you would lean on me.
Is there a way we can make that entrance more a little subtle?
Yeah, it's hitting too hard right now.
Yeah.
Totally with you on that.
I spend it all on you.
Love you, Benji.
Let's see here. Get in the middle of it. See what we got.
You taught me. I spend it all on you, I'm balling. Just wanna show you that you my queen.
Oh, there's a loud bitch.
But baby girl, you should just call me. Call me, girl, call me.
Cool, that's the one.
I wish you would.
One more hair.
You don't need no one new. You need to call me. Show me it's on me, girl. Call me.
That's it.
I wish you would lean on me.
That's it.
Girl, my bad, I know it's on me. But forgiveness is what you taught me. I spend it all on you, I'm balling. Just wanna show you that you my queen.
Might have to dig into it and chop it up and move them a little bit. But we don't have to do that now because I know we're on borrowed time for real. But
Yeah, make notes and some things we
Yeah.
need to do to tighten up and all that. We'll take
for
care
real,
of it.
yeah, okay. I definitely will.
Nice.
I wanna be played, I wanna be the. I tell you the truth, girl, I ain't just tryna fuck. Wanna put you in the cool, wanna show you that you make my love. Tryna show you better days, cause I know what we got it wrong. But I wouldn't give it up, feel like one dude just ain't enough. I give you the one, fuck all that other stuff. Can't take back love, think Cupid's zero stuff. Girl, you know ain't a problem, I do anything for you. Wanna put you in a Bentley truck, girl, I'm in these times I gotta say it's only you. Baby girl, I do all the things that you want me to. Show you a man you never seen, you don't need no one new. You need to call me, show me it's on me, girl. Call me. I wish you would lean on me. Girl, my bad, I know it's on me. But forgiveness is what you taught me.
Do that shit.
So up there for sure. That's that layer, that stack is gonna be it's gonna be everything.
I know you shining, work so hard and now you got it. And you ain't gotta worry, sky's the limit, you a rocket, huh? And who gon' stop it?
And who goes out? Yeah, you know what I mean?
Independent ladies pop.
That's hard though. It's hard.
I know that all of you is ballin', you was ballin'. Yeah, we turning up, you know there ain't no stop, ain't no stop. Don't get no fuss and be yourself, we had no problems, huh? Yeah, for all my independent queens putting in work, this for you. Go and show them how you ride.
Camera.
And if they got a problem, it's okay, tell them meet me outside. Yeah. For all my independent queens putting in work, this for you. Go and show them how you ride.
Go show them how you ride. It's hard as fuck.
Do that shit, 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 do that shit. Go and teach them how to do that shit. Zakari, nigga. You gon' teach them how to do that shit. Do that shit, do that shit. Go and teach them how to do that shit. Aye. Yeah. Once again, this goes out to all the beautiful queens out there I see.